All right, today on Tip Tuesday, we're going to be talking about a tried and true repurposed product that I absolutely have loved for almost 17 years of getting people organized. It's a repurposed product, so you really can't buy it at like Container Store or Lowe's. You can buy it at the grocery store. Hi, I am Lorraine Brock, professional organizer and owner of a company called Get Organized, where my company and I, we get your home completely organized, top to bottom, in every room of your home. All right, on to today's tip. So the tip is the Velveeta cheese box. And you may have heard me mention this before, but it is one of those tried and true products that if you don't want to spend any money and you're looking to organize some drawers, this is a great product. So what you want to do is you want to take the cardboard part out of the Velveeta cheese box. You will not need this part. And what you're going to do is put this in your drawers. A lot of drawers in your kitchen, butler's pantry, mud rooms, things like that will have a great drawer height that will allow you to use multiple of these inside of a drawer. So you could put them this way, you could put them this way, or a combination inside of a drawer. You can keep Sharpie markers, pencils, pens, scissors, and even batteries organized by type of battery in these. Obviously, that you're going to need quite a few to do all that. But over the time that you were making queso dip or that special dip for the holiday season, make sure you're keeping these and maybe even still one from grandma's kitchen if she's making the dish, and you can go home and get your drawers organized on the cheap. I'm Lorraine Brock here with Tip Tuesday, helping you get your home, business, and life completely organized.